knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Okay, you guys, let's make the best red velvet cake you've ever had. So I've got some oil. This is vanilla clear. We got some instant coffee, some cocoa powder, cake flour or regular flour, milk, sugar, and eggs. We're gonna separate those eggs and let me show you how. Also, I have red food coloring. Let's go, y'all. Okay, you guys. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this oven on to, I'm gonna take it all the way down to 280. Okay, we're gonna go down to 280 because it won't let me go up any higher, but if yours lets you go to 286, then go right ahead. Let's see if it'll do. Okay, let's go. 285. 285. Start. And let's preheat this oven. Okay, guys, while your oven is preheating, go ahead. Put your parchment paper in there. You don't need any spray. You don't need any butter for this cake. This is 8-inch round. You will also need a pan to put your other pan in because we're going to do a water bath. And water is going to go in this casserole dish as it bakes. So let's put those to the side because when we get done with the batter, we want to go fast. Okay, guys. Here are the ingredients. We got eggs, oil, vanilla, instant coffee, cocoa, milk, sugar, and flour, and red food coloring. So, let's go. Okay, you guys. I have 5 eggs separated. To that, I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup. I'm sorry, 1/4 of a cup of oil. Okay, you guys, I have 5 egg yolks in here I've separated. I am going to add the oil, which is 1/3 of a cup of oil, vegetable oil. I am also adding 1/4 of a cup of milk. I am also adding the 2 grams of instant coffee, you guys. Any kind you choose. And I am also adding the vanilla extract. And we are going to whisk this, blend all this together a little bit. Whisk with the eggs, you guys, for about a minute. We're gonna whisk this. Okay, you guys, here's those stiff peaks. What you want. Let's move on to adding it to this batter. Okay, you guys, here's my batter. Here's my egg whites. I'm gonna add some to this batter and kind of fold it in gently, but we're moving quickly also. And you're gonna keep mixing this and adding it in till all your meringue is in there. Get some more in there. This is gonna make your cake so fluffy, you guys. So let me go ahead and mix this in.
Take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong, won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out. We can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, 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 brave. I know you can be brave, 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 brave. If you wanna go out, we can go out. Brave, brave, brave. We can hide away just for one night. Brave, brave. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my